ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरं वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। अभ्यास 10. Did we see some shabdas in the 10th abhyasa?
No.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Listen.
Tat shabda, I don't remember that we have seen or not. I think we have not seen. Tat means that. Yat means whichever. Actually, not even whichever. In Telugu, edaite. How to say Shirishaji in English?
Whatever, right?
Whatever. Okay. Etat is this. Kim means what. Sarva. Sarva means all. Purva, before. Vishwa. Vishwa means all. Anya means different. Other. Anya means other. Itara. Itara also other. Then Vipra. Vipra means Brahmana. Indra. Indra is Indra. Daitya. Rakshasas. Prabhu means two meanings they have given. Prabhu means Swami. Swami means Yajamana, owner, or the one who has capability. He is Prabhu. Pitru, father. Up to these are shabdas. Tat, yat, etat, kim, sarva, purva, vishwa, anya, itara. All are sarvanama shabdas. Vipra, Indra, Daitya, Prabhu, Prabhu. These all are up to Daitya. Vipra, Indra, Daitya. These are Akaranta Pullinga Shabdas. Prabhu is Ukaranta Pullinga Shabda. Pitru is Rukaranta Pullinga Shabda. Da means Dan, Dane. Yacha is given. Da dhatu, it goes like yachati, yachataha, yachanti, yachasi, yachataha, yachatha, like that. Meaning is dane, to give. Vitru is also same meaning. This dhatu, I'll find out later. This is not there in Ashtadhyayi. This is not there in Ashtadhyayi, Vitru. We can use whenever this Dan kind of meaning comes, we can use Da Dhatu instead of Vitru. Da, again they have given Da, 3. Okay, Vitru is also giving only Vitarati. One Da Dhatu is Dadati, like that it goes. One Da Dhatu Yachati, and Vitru is Vitarati. Vitru is Vitarati. Nam Dhatu, Namaskar. This is not Dhatus. Namaha, Swasti, Swaha, Swadha, Alam, Vashat. When these shabdas comes, then Chaturthi Vibhakti will come. Namaha, Swasti, Swaha, Swadha, Alam, Vashat, Yogacha. This is the sutra. Namaha means Namaskar. Swasti means Ashirvad. Swaha. Swaha, when we give offering in Yajna. That is called Swaha, Ahuti. Offering the ghee or anything is called Swaha. Swadha means when we offer Pinda Tarpana to our Pitru Devatas. That is called Swadha. Alam, Paryapta. Alam means enough. Vashat. Vashat is also Ahuti. These shabdas will used in Homa, Yajna. Whenever these shabdas comes, Nama, Swasti, Swaha, Swadha, Alam, Vashat, then Chaturthi Vibhakti will come. We have that question mark, how to remember all these niyamas. See, one sutra is enough to remember all these shabdas. Whenever it comes, then Chaturthi Vibhakti will come. Namaswasti Swaha Swadha Alam Vashat Yogacha. If we memorize those sutras, then it will become easy. Whenever these shabdas comes, we can immediately catch up. Okay, this is the fourth case. This should be in fourth case, like that. Shaktaha. Shaktaha means Samartaha. Samartaha, capable in English. Samartaha, Samartahane, they have given capable.
Can you put those sutras in a document? All these Vibhakti sutras.
Okay. We have made some sutras, right? Sutras and vrittis. One document. Is it there? Have I
That is
deleted?
for sandhis, right? If
We can
if you,
add there itself. Huh?
yeah, if you can make one for vibhaktis also.
In this document itself, I am making table 3, tab 3. So it will be easy so that we don't need to go check the too many documents. Three 16. Should I copy Vritti also? If I copy Vritti, it will become easy for you to remember. You can change later this font size and all. Okay. Namaha swasti swaha swadha alam vashat. Iti etaihi yoge chaturthi vibhaktihi bhavati. You forget all these other words. When namaha swasti swaha swadha alam vashat. When these shabdas are there, then chaturthi vibhakti will come. Is this sutra clear?
Yes, Pooja.
What is
Yes, Shivananji.
what is the difference between alam in third vibhakti and fourth vibhakti?
Alam?
Alam shabda comes in third vibhakti, tritiya vibhakti also. Difference, how to identify whether it's the third or fourth?
In this. I will let you know that.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll find out that. Namaha, swasti, swaha, swadha, alam, vashaut. When these shabdas comes, then chaturthi vibhakti will come. Okay, tat. Tat shabda. Can anyone decline that?
तत्ते तानि तत् ते तानि तेन ताभ्यां तैः तस्मै ताभ्यां तेभ्यः तस्मात् ताभ्यां तेभ्यः तस्य तयोः तेषां तस्मिन् तयोः तेषु.
Next, yat shabda. Same. Tat shabda and yat shabda similar.
यत् ये यानि यत् ये यानि येन याभ्यां यैः यस्मै याभ्यां येभ्यः यस्मात् याभ्यां येभ्यः यस्य ययोः येषां यस्मिन् ययोः येषु.
Okay. This is Napumsakalinga. We need Pullinga. Now, Tat. Others can decline.
तौ तौ ते तं तौ तान् तेन ताभ्यां तैः तस्मै ताभ्यां तेभ्यः तस्मात् तस्मात् ताभ्यां तेभ्यः तस्य तयोः तेषां तस्मिन् तयोः तेषु.
Next, yat shabda.
यः यौ ये is correct ma? यः
Yes.
यं यौ यान् येन याभ्यां यैः यस्मै याभ्यां येभ्यः यस्मात् याभ्यां येभ्यः यस्य ययोः येषां यस्मिन् ययोः येषु.
Next, etad. एतत् शब्द प्रथमा विभक्ति एकवचनम एषः. Similar all other shabdas. Prathama ekavachanam is एषः. Next one, decline. एतत् शब्द.
एषः एतौ एते एतं एतौ एतान् एतेन एताभ्याम् एतैः एतस्मै एताभ्याम् एतेभ्यः एतस्मात् एताभ्याम् एतेभ्यः एतस्य एतयोः एतेषाम् एतस्मिन् एतयोः एतेषु.
Next, किम शब्द. किम प्रथमा एकवचनम कः. All other shabdas are similar.
कः कौ के कं कौ कान् केन काभ्यां कैः कस्मै काभ्यां केभ्यः कस्मात् काभ्यां केभ्यः कस्य कयोः केषां कस्मिन् कयोः केषु.
Next, Sarva Shabda.
The first one, Purnaji, Prathama Vibhakti, Ekvachanam.
Sarvaha. Sarvaha.
Sarvaha,
Sarvaha Shabda. Uh, 1 minute. Sarvaha.
Sarvaha, Sarvau, Sarvehe, Sarvam, Sarvau, Sarvan, Sarvena, Sarvabhyam, Sarvaihi, Sarvasyam,
Sarvasmai.
Sarvasmai, Sarvebhyam,
Sarvabhyam.
Abhyam, Sarvebhyah, Sarvasmat, Sarvabhyam, Sarvebhyah, Sarvasya, Sarvayoh, Sarvesham, Sarvasmin, Sarvayoh, Sarveshu, He Sarva, He Sarvau, He Sarve.
Next, Purva. Purva, Vishwa, Anya, Itara. All are same like Tat Shabda or Sarva Shabda. We can take as Sarva Shabda. Vipraha, Indraha, Daityaha, Prabhuho. All these Shabdas are like Rama Shabda. So we have declined earlier. So Pitru Shabda we have to see. Prabhu is, sorry, Ukaranta Pullinga Shabda, Prabhu. Pitru, Rukaranta Shabda. Trich Pratyanta Shabda. Pita, Pitarau, Pitaraha. Pitaram, Pitarau, Pitrun. Today, this Rikaranta Shabda came in Brihadaranyaka, right? Anybody remember?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the Shabda? That is, Pitarau is, Takara is Rasva, but there Takara is Upalabdharaha. Upalabdhu is the Shabda, but Upalabdharaha, Prathama Bahuvachanam is Upalabdharaha. Aptrantrich, by that sutra, that Dirgha came. Okay. Can anyone decline this Pita Shabda?
पिता पितरौ पितरः पितरं पितरौ पितॄन् पित्रा पित्रा पितृभ्यां पितृभिः पित्रे पितृभ्यां पितृभ्यः पितुः पितृभ्यां पितृभ्यः पितुः पित्रोः पितॄणां पितरि पित्रोः पितृषु हे पितः हे पितरौ हे पितरः.
Next, Da Dhatu. Da Dane. Who will decline?
Yachati, Yachatah, Yachanti, Yachasi, Yachatah, Yachatha, Yachami, Yachavaha, Yachamaha.
Rit is for what? Which kala? Present tense or past tense or
Future tense, right?
Yes, future tense. Please continue.
दास्यति, दास्यतः, दास्यन्ति, दास्यसि, दास्यतः, दास्यथा, दास्यामि, दास्यावः, दास्यामः.
Hmm.
How come yach has changed totally to das? So,
This dhatu itself is da dhatu.
oh,
In
okay,
future
okay.
tense, da did not change into yacha. See, here original dhatu is da dhatu. This da dhatu changed into yacha by this sutra. Praghradbhasthamna dan dan drishyarti sarthi shada sadam piba jighra dhamma tishtha mana yacha. See here yacha is there. This da dhatu has changed into yacha. Pashya, drish changed into pashya. Richa dhaushiyasi daha. Da dhatu changed into yacha. Next.
दास्यति, दास्यतः, दास्यन्ति, दास्यसि, दास्यतः, दास्यथा, दास्यामि, दास्यावः, दास्यामः.
Lot.
Lot.
Is for what?
Affirmative thing, right?
Ajnavachaka.
Yeah, affirmative, Agnavachaka.
Okay.
Yachat, yachat, yachatat, yachatad, yachatu, yachatam, yachantu. Yachat, yachata, yachatat, yachatad, yachatam, yachata. Yachani, yachava, yachava, yachama.
Lang.
Ayachat, ayachad, ayachatam, ayachan. Ayachah, ayachatam, ayachat, ayacham, ayachava, ayachama.
Madhyam purusha bahuvachanam ayachata.
Ayachata.
Vidhiling.
Yachet, yached, yachetam, yacheyuhu. Yache, yachetam, yacheta. Yacheyam, yacheva, yachema.
Madhyam purusha ekavachanam yachehe visarga. We saw only 5 lakaras, so it's enough. Also, da dhatu, dadati is also their form. This is Vadigana. This is Juhotyadigana. Juhotyadigana is third gana. Can anyone decline? This is Parasmaipadi.
Dadati, dattaha, dadati,
Dadati.
dadati, dadasi, dattaha, dattha, dadami, dadvaha, dadmaha.
What is the lakara?
Now is No,
This
Miss one is lat lakara.
Lat lakara is for what?
Present tense.
Next.
Phone breaking. What is that?
Hmm. We cannot hear you.
Sorry, Max. Sorry. Next is Lord. Dattat, dattad, dadatu, dattam, dadatu, dattat, dattad, dehi, dattam, datta, dadani, dadava, dadama. Lot lakara. Lot lakara. Lot is for Adesha.
Next. Lut lakara.
Okay. Lut lakara. Lut lakara is for the future tense. Dasyati, dasyatah, dasyanti, dasyasi, dasyatah, dasyatha, dasyami, dasyavah, dasyamah.
Next.
Lang
Lang
lakara.
lakara is for what?
Past tense.
Hmm.
Adadat, adadad, adattam, adaduhu, adadaha, adattam, adattam, adatta, adadam, adadva, adadmaha.
Adadma. Visarga is not there.
Dadma. Next is Vidilling. It's also to order. Order.
Yes.
Dadyat, dadyat, dadyatam, dadyuhu, dadyaha, dadyatam, dadyat, dadyam, dadyava, dadyama. In this lang lakara, for agachati, for coming here, how we can pronounce that one lang lakara? Because is there at the beginning itself, in the word itself.
Yes. Whenever you have any these kind of doubts, you can check in this way, Ashtadhyayi.
Where to check?
See, this I am doing, na? So you can follow it. Like, I just typed gam dhatu. All gam dhatu, all lakaras came. But what I want? Agam, right? Agachati. For that, lang lakara I want, right? So here plus symbol is there, na? When we click that, these kind of options will come. Then in that, which upasarga I want? For gam dhatu? A is ang upasarga. A is ang upasarga. For gam dhatu, we are using ang upasarga. So this ang is upasarga. We have to add this upasarga. Then agachati, agachataha, agachanti. These kind of forms will come. So lang lakara, agachat, agachad, agachatham, agachan, agachaha, agachatam, agachatam, agachata, agacham, agachava, agachama. Is this clear?
It's clear. Like here the confusion starts is like for gachati lang lakara and agachati lang lakara both will be same, no?
No. Here agachat. For lang lakara, agachat will come. Gam dhatu. When we use ang upasarga, it is dirgha akara.
There for that one agachat. No, gachati means go. Agachati means come.
Huh. Gam dhatu, lang lakara, agachat.
Huh. Clear. Okay, thank you.
Ang upasarga is dirgha akara. So there a will come. Dirgha akara will come. That's how we have to recognize it. Oh, sorry.
So Purnaji, this da, does it belong to different ganas in those dhatus?
Yes. Da dhatu, yacha, yachati, yachataha. Those forms are belongs to Badigana. Da dhatu, dadati. Those forms are belongs to Juhotyadi Gana, Tritiya Gana. First one is Prathama Gana.
Do we know which gana to use?
Yeah, both are same. Whichever one we can use. See, da dhatu, dan, dane. This is dudai, dane. Both are same, dane only. Means to give only.
Use anything, like which?
Anything we can use. Anything we can use. Here, this da dhatu meaning only to give. But here, to provide, to donate, to hand over, these many meanings are there in this dudai dane. In this dan dane, only to give. So based on meaning, we can use either one. If provide, donate.
They learn only that last one instead, right? Instead of learning that second one?
Which one? This one?
Yeah, we can use only that last one instead of learning the second new form.
Second.
Instead
I
of
don't
learning
know.
that second one, we can learn the fourth one itself, right? That includes everything.
Oh, second one means in this second one. Okay. Second one means which second one I did not get. Okay. No. Sometimes they use this da dhatu in Shastra. Sometimes they use this da dhatu. So we have to know both. Then only we will know which da dhatu they have used to and which meaning it should come. If we don't memorize if we don't know this da dhatu, and it is given as yachati, yachataha, yachanti, like that. If we don't know, then how can we recognize that it is da dhatu and meaning is to give, right?
Okay, Purnaji, thank you.
So we should know both dhatus. For this chapter purpose, even if we know one dhatu, it's enough. If there are, if they in Sanskrit too, English, the translation, if we need, then we can use that. Da, yach, vitru. there is no this vitru dhatu here, and I have written the form vitarati for vitru, but that vitarati is also okay. This is through, not vitru. What is bantna? Bantna meaning is what?
Sharing.
Caring,
Share.
sharing. Okay. Huh.
Dividing.
V upasarga. Here through dhatu. It is not vitru. Through is the dhatu. V is upasarga. Generally, through dhatu meaning is plavana tarana yoho, means to float. When we add upasarga, V upasarga, what did you say the meaning?
Sharing or dividing.
Sharing. Okay. Vitru, vitarati means sharing. Vitarati, vitarataha, vitaranti. Like that it goes. Like bhudhatu only. Similar to bhudhatu. We can see here also V. This is the in Kartari, what we are seeing, latlakara, litlakara, lot, all these shabdas are there. If we want to check upasargas, meaning is what? Here we can use this upasargartaha. See, generally, this is the upasargartaha. Here I have seen the meaning for vitru. The niyama means general rule in Vyakarana is when we add upasarga with dhatu, what is the upasarga meaning? It is the intention of, based on intention of the writer. If I am writing something, then I am using through dhatu with V upasarga. And what is the meaning, that I will know, and others may not be grasp that what with what intention I am using. This is the upasargas. We can add upasargas, but we may not know the exact meaning. But the explanation is given based on context, what meaning we should take, that we have to decide. If this vakya is there, like if I want to say Ramaha agacchatu, or Ramaha agacchati. Ramaha agacchati, I am saying. When I use the ang upasarga with gam dhatu, what is my intention? Rama is coming, right? Can you hear me?
Yes, Purna ji.
Okay. If you feel it is heavy, then I won't enter into all such things. Okay, okay. When we use upasargas, meaning will be different, and that based on context, we have to take the meaning. Mantna. Here, vitru is vitarati. Can anyone decline?
అమ్మ వితరతి నమ్మ వితరతి వితరతః వితరంతి వితరసి వితరతః వితరత వితరామి వితరామి వితరావః వితరామః లోటు వితరత్తు వితరతాం వితరంతు వితర వితరతం వితరత వితరాని వితరావ వితరామ లంగ్ లకార అవితరత్ అవితరతాం అవితరన్ అవితరః అవిరత అవితరతం అవితరత అవితరం అవితరం అవితరావ అవితరా అవితరవాం అవితరవామ అమ్మ కరెక్టేనమ్మా అవితరవాం విద్లింగ్ అవితరేత్ అవితరేతాం అవితరేయుః అవితరేః అవితరేతం అవితరేత అవితరేయం అవితరేవ అవితరేమ అమ్మ లుట్లకరం లుట్ ఎలా చెప్పాలా మీరు
Lang lakara. I will check again this lang lakara. Other books I will check. This vyatarat is there, not avitarat.
వెత్త ఓకే అమ్మ వెత్త
Vitarishyati.
వితరిష్యతః వితరిష్యతి వితరిష్యతి
No.
వితరిష్యతః
Vitarishyati. Here dirgha is there. Two forms are there. Vitarishyati, vitarishyati.
ఓకే అమ్మ వితరిష్యతి వితరిష్యతి వితరిష్యతః వితరిష్యతః వితరిష్యంతి వితరిష్యంతి వితరిష్యసి వితరిష్యసి వితరిష్యతః వితరిష్యతః వితరిష్యథ వితరిష్యథ వితరిష్యావః వితరిష్యావః వితరిష్యామః వితరిష్యామః వితరిష్యామి వితరిష్యామి వితరిష్యావః వితరిష్యావః వితరిష్యామః వితరిష్యామః
Vitarishyati, vitarishyati. Vitarishyatah, vitarishyatah. Vitarishyanti, vitarishyanti. Vitarishyasi, vitarishyasi. Vitarishyatah, vitarishyatah. Vitarishyatha, vitarishyata. Vitarishyami, vitarishyami. वितरिष्वावः वितरिष्वावः वितरिष्यामः वितरिष्यामः. This dirgha should come. Vitarishyamaha. Okay. Next dhatu. Dhatus are over. Vitru, da dhatu we have finished. Namaha, swasti, swaha, swadha, alam, vashat. These shabdas are whenever these shabdas comes, chaturthi vibhakti will come. Next, shaktaha, samartaha. These are avyayi shabdas, avyaya shabdas. Niyama 33. Sarvanama Shabda. Visheshana, Visheshya, these things we know, right?
Visheshana is adjective.
Dasharatha Putraha Ramaha. In this, what is the Visheshana and what is the Visheshya?
Sheshana is Dasharatha. Visheshana is
Visheshana.
Dasharatha.
Dasharatha Putraha. Dasharatha Putraha Ramaha. So Ramaha is the Visheshya. Dasharatha Putraha is the Visheshana. Means that Lakshana which is indicating the Visheshya is called Visheshana. Through some Lakshana we are indicating the Lakshya goal. We want to indicate Rama. How we are indicating? Dasharatha Putraha Ramaha. So when we say Saha Ramaha, that Rama, so that Saha should be in whatever is the Vibhakti Vachana of Rama, same Vachana Vibhakti should be there, Sarvanama Shabdas also. Ramaha is Prathama Vibhakti, Ekavachanam. Saha also Prathama Vibhakti, Ekavachanam. If I want to say Rama Lakshmana, Sarvanama Shabda should be what?
Rama Amma.
Rama Lakshmana. I am saying Rama Lakshmana. What should be the Sarvanama Shabda? Sarvanama Shabda should have same Vibhakti and same Vachana, whatever is the Visheshya has.
Oh, right?
Yes. Yes. I'll explain in Telugu also. విశేష్య కి ఏదైతే వచన విభక్తి ఉంటాయో అదే వచన విభక్తి సర్వనామ శబ్దానికి కూడా ఉండాలి. హియర్ విశేష్య ఇస్ రామ లక్ష్మణ. సో వాట్ విల్ బి ద సర్వనామ శబ్ద? తౌ ఇస్ ద ప్రథమ విభక్తి ద్వివచనం. తౌ రామ లక్ష్మణ. Is this point clear?
Clear, Amma.
Everybody?
Clear, Amma.
Yes, Poonaji.
Here they have given examples. Kaha naraha. Naraha is in which vibhakti?
Prathama ekavachanam, Amma.
Pratama ekvachanam.
So kaha is also in prathama ekavachanam. Naram. Kam naram. Naram is in which vibhakti?
Dvitiya, Amma.
Dvitiya ekavachanam. Kam is also Dvitiya vibhakti ekavachanam. In any of the Mangala Charanam, this kam shabda is there? Any of the text? Bodhaya kurve. After that, बोधाय कुर्वे कमपि प्रबंधम कमपि प्रबोधम or प्रबोधम बोधाय कुर्वे कमपि प्रबोधम. This is the Mangala Charana for new text which we started that Sunday evening class is what?
Panchadashi.
Panchadashi, Amma.
No, not our class, Swamiji's class. Siddhanta Bindu Mangala Charana Shloka. This Kamapi Bodhaya Kurve Kamapi Prabandham, that Shabda, Kam Shabda came there. Kena Narena is which vibhakti?
Tritiya ekavachanam.
But earlier Swamiji mentioned we should know all the Mangala Charanams. When we learn the text, we should know Mangala Charanam shlokas. At least we should look at it when Swamiji chant. Then after some time we will get that. Without seeing, we can memorize. Even if we chant along with Swamiji, we can memorize easily. Kabala. Kabala. Which vibhakti?
Prathama ekavachanam, Amma.
Which linga?
Strilinga, Amma.
Linga, vachana, vibhakti. All should be the same. Bala is the strilinga shabda. So, ka is also strilinga shabda. Bala is the prathama ekavachanam. Ka is also prathama ekavachanam. Linga, vachana, vibhakti. All are same. Next, Niyama 34. Karmana yam abhipraiti saha sampradanam. Whenever we give something to someone, then from that whoever is getting benefit, he will be in fourth case, Chaturthi Vibhakti. Like I am giving some fruits to a boy. So that boy is getting benefit from that, getting benefit. What benefit he is getting? He is getting fruits. So he is getting benefit. That's why he is called, he will be in Chaturthi. Balakaya. He will be in Chaturthi Vibhakti. This 34th niyama is clear?
Balakaya is Tritiya, right? Balakai.
Balakaya is Chaturthi. For Balaka. Balakena is Tritiya. Balakaha, Balako, Balakaha, Balakam, Balako, Balakan, Balakena, Balakabhyam, Balakaihi. Balakaya is Tritiya or Chaturthi? Chaturthi. Chaturthi Ekavachanam Balakaya. So when we give something to someone, then when they get benefit, they will be in Chaturthi. But in case of Ishvara, Ishvara is not getting benefit from us. But Ishvara will be in Chaturthi. Like Chinmayaya Namaha, Shankaracharya Varyaya Namaha. So we are offering. We are offering that way, they will be in Chaturthi. Okay. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.